Alright, look, I take this deck and now I shuffle these cards, maybe like this, snap my finger and production to joker. It's really not bad. And now spectator shuffle these cards and stop me anytime. Maybe stop me here. Maybe your card's Jack of Spades. You remember this card, it's really free, it's not force. I take this joker number 1 and joker number 2. It's really free and now search 1 cards. Of course, this is your card's Jack of Spades. It's really crazy, look. Look, 2 joker. Oh, this is Jack of Clubs. Look, 2 joker, it's really normal joker, yes? Joker number 1, joker number 2, and change to Jack. Wow. I search for Jack. Please name your Jack. Your cards, Jack of Spades. Look, your Jack of Spades, spin and change joker. Wow, it's really crazy. Look, Jack of Clubs, shake it and change joker. Wow, it's really unbelievable. Look, I take this 2 red Jack, Jack of Diamonds, Jack of Hearts, change to black Jack. Why? Because my red Jack, oh, my Jack 1 and Jack of Hearts, snap my finger, I'm sorry, maybe 5 of Diamonds, no, look, and change my Jack of Hearts. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really crazy, easy to do sleight of hand card trick. Yes, it's really true. So okay, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, maybe share this video with your friend magician. Why not? Maybe your friend really magician. And of course, write, comment my video. Why not? So guys, please take deck and teach this really unbelievable crazy card trick. Look, and now I make it change this cards like this. Look, this is 9 of Diamonds, change Queen of Spades, change 8 of Diamonds, Queen of Spades, change. So first thing, you make a little setup. You take 2 cards, maybe 2 joker, maybe 2 ace, maybe 2 king, it's really anywhere, and take 4 jack. Or of course, maybe you take 4, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, maybe queen, maybe ace. You take really any cards, maybe 6, 7, why not? So your setup, Jack of Diamonds, Jack of Hearts, Jack of Clubs, Jack of Spades. Take 2 joker and put in her 1 joker, face up, 1 joker face down. Right, it's really easy setup. And next step, you make any full shuffle, any full cut, maybe full cut like this, maybe full shuffle like this. Of course, you save it your setup. Look, you make a swing cut, make a break, swing cut your break, swing cut your break, this pile drop it like this. Of course, you save it your break. And next step, you take little pile, take your break, and this pile drop it like this. All right. Of course, you maybe cut like this. You maybe repeat. All right. Take little pile, take your break, make move it like this, make move it like this, and this pile drop it like this. Of course, you save it your setup. All right. It's really any full shuffle. You make any full shuffle. So, and next step, you production this 2 joker. Maybe you make it. Maybe you make a top shot. Why not? It's really easy move. Look, you take this deck like this, and now use this finger, move it like this, and production these cards. Look, snap your finger and production these cards like this. Maybe your production, maybe slip cut. Why not? Look, your right hand count little pile, your left hand slip cut these cards and turn over like this, and production these 2 cards. All right. And next step, you take these 2 cards and drop it like this. So, no bad. All right. And next step, you make any full shuffle, any full cut. You maybe this finger make little pile, and now you make full swing cut. And now you make a full swing cut. And next step, you make a swing cut, and now use this finger count 1 cards, make a break, dribble and save it your break, and take these cards like this. And next step, you dribble force. You make a dribble force, cards spectator stop anytime, you drop it this jack of spades, right? Please, spectator, stop anytime. Stop, alright, remember these cards. It's really easy. Save it or break, stop, alright. Remember this card, this is jack of spades, no bad. And next step, you make a break this jack of spades, make a dribble, of course you save it your break, and now you make a turnover pass. Look, you move it, you break. Look, you save it your break, and now you move it like this, right? Look, your jack of spades, make you move it like this, stop anytime, remember, make a break, save it or break, and turn over like this. Of course you save it for jack top of the deck. Alright, and next step you take this 2 joker, it's really free. And next step you use this finger, count 2 cards, 1, 2, save it or break, and this joker put in her these cards. Of course you take 3 cards. This deck turn over, drop it like this, take these 2 cards like this, and now you move it like this and production these cards like this. It's really easy move because you slide these cards like this. Yes. Look, 2 joker, production 1 cards. Of course this is jack of spades. Take this deck, drop it this 2 joker, count this finger 3 cards, right? Move it like this. This is 2 cards, drop it like this. This deck, drop it like this, and now you repeat, take these 2 cards and move it like this. And production this jack. Look, 2 joker, and now you take this 2 cards like this and production these cards like this. You move it like this. It's really easy move. And production, this is jack of clubs. Why not? Alright. And next step you take this deck, count this finger 2 cards, 1, 2, and make a break. Look, 1, 2, make a break and save it to break. Show it this 2 joker, joker number 1, joker number 2. Take your break 4 cards, slide this joker, take these 3 cards, yes, 2 jack and 1 joker, and make it change like this. It's really easy change. Look, 2 joker, I repeat, 2 joker, and change. It's really crazy. And next step, use this finger, count 2 cards, 1, 2, make a break, save it or break, take card spectators, jack of spades, and now you make a switch. Use this finger, take this joker, alright, and slide this joker like this and turn over 2 cards. Look, now you make a change, make a switch, alright. Look, 1, 2, count 2 cards, take this jack, take this joker, slide these 2 cards, make a spin, turn over, and show it this is change jack and on to, I'm sorry, my English very bad, this joker, right. And next step, this finger, count 2 cards, 1, 2, take this jack, it's really free, turn over, take 3 cards and make a shake change. Look, take 3 cards and turn over, drop it, take 2 cards and move it like this. This is 2 cards, you take these 2 cards and move it like this and spin this joker, right? Look, 2 cards and drop it. And next step, you count 2 cards, 1, 2, take this 2 jack of diamonds, jack of hearts, turn over, take 4 cards, jack of spades, jack of clubs, jack of hearts, jack of diamonds, slide 1 jack, this is 3 cards, and now you make a change like this, alright, and drop it like this. And next step, use this finger, count little pile and maybe make a classic pass, make a spread and search jack of hearts. And next step, you move it like this. You take these next cards and this pile and this jack of hearts, drop it like this. And next step, you turn over this pile, turn over this pile, of course your jack of diamonds, position number 2. Take this jack of diamonds, it's really free, you take of course 2 cards, and now you make a change like this. You palm it your right hand is Jack of Diamonds, right? And make a change like this, and of course show it Jack of Diamonds. It's really easy change. Look. Yes, it's really easy. It's really crazy. Yes. Thank you for watching my video. See you later.